video. Today we have Makita impact wrenches, hacks, smoking deals, killer deals on all these Makita impact wrenches. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. I just want to give a quick big shout out to Toolboss for having this, posting this first. Make sure check out his channel. That's where I saw these deals. Guys, this is awesome, killer deals. Make sure you guys help out the channel by subscribing. We went ahead and purchased one of these items already. Alright, so pretty much we got the Makita. As you guys see here, you got the Makita 4-speed 1/2 inch square drive impact wrench, detent anvil with the 5 amp hour battery. So this is pretty much the deal here, $189. But and same thing with this one. This was the 1/2 inch torque with the 5 amp hour battery, with the free 5 amp hour battery for $259. So all these, they have that little plus with them. You can do the hack with. So let's say you want this 4-speed, right, 1/2 inch impact wrench. This is the one that I actually bought because I want to. If I go on a road trip, I want something small, something powerful. So I put this on the cart. Okay, free gift selected. I believe on the app you have to do it yourself. Online, like on a computer, this is in a computer. I believe you guys could do it here. It'll add both of them in there. But if online on the app, I believe you guys have to add it separately. All right. So once you put it in the cart, you're gonna get this tool for $105.68. Killer smoking deal on this Makita impact driver or impact wrench. I believe this is up to 480 foot-pounds of torque. That is plenty to take off the lug nuts from your vehicles. You're gonna get this battery for $83. You're gonna go to checkout. My bad. You're not gonna go to checkout. You're gonna go to the cart. It says 4 items in the cart. All right. If you guys haven't checked out our video, we did a similar hack here with the circular saw, and you're getting 2 free 5s. Make sure you guys check that video out. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. And that's the twin pair of 5s you guys get with that deal. All right, so total dollars, $189. What you guys could do is you guys could have the tool that you don't want, you can have it shipped to home, and the tool that you want, you can have it shipped to the store and pick it up at the store. You can try that, see if that'll work for you, or you can, obviously you want to cancel the tool that you don't want within like 5-10 minutes. You're gonna get that email and then you can cancel it. But you know what, guys, I tried doing that and it did not work. You guys could try it, maybe it'll work for you. So what I ended up doing is I ended up keeping both of the tools, and I'm just gonna return the battery or the tool whenever they come in. So if you guys want to do that, you guys can. If you guys don't, you guys want to keep both. I think it's a killer deal for $83. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to keep it. $105 killer deal for this tool. Then again, you guys could free to do whatever you guys want. All right, let's delete this and let's do one more. We got a couple more we can do. Remove. Let me just go back to the Makita impact wrench page, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys will see this. All right, so I believe 189. We have another one that's 239. Yeah, this is pretty much the upgrade of the other one. This is the 4-speed mid-torque 1/2 inch impact wrench, detent anvil with anvil. Detent. So 239. Let me see. Let me just check something here with friction ring. Yeah, this is the one that I want. The one that, if you guys don't know what the friction ring and the pin detent, this was the pin detent. Those are 2 different tools from this part. So what if you're a DIY, if you're just somebody that is going to be switching sockets all the time, you want the friction ring. If you want pin detent, this is for professionals. This is for somebody that's going to have a dedicated socket all day, you know, on their shop, running just one dedicated socket to this tool, because it's actually harder. If you guys want me to make a detailed video on that, let me know down in the comment section. I will make a video. But anyways, it's just a quick explanation. But yeah, you guys could do this on this too. This is the 239. This is the upgraded model, pretty much from the other one. And if you guys notice, this is the detent anvil. So just to let you know, this is the one that you have to keep the tool there, or the socket. So let's see here, free gift selected. So same thing, you add it to the cart, and it separates the two. $147, guys. That's a mid torque. That's over 500 pounds of torque. $91 for the battery. Still a great deal. Make sure you guys check it out. These are great smoking deals. Remove this one. Yeah, you can't do it with the high torque. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Killer smoking deal on the mid torque and the other one. I went ahead and got one for the channel so we can test it out here. So be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.